These are the glitter paint pens with the extra fine tip. It comes with 12 of them, and this is how they look when you take them out of the box. Here, I want to show you this one, for instance, is the silver one. And as you can see, it looks white over here, but you just have to press it, and then you pump it, and the color will come out. So once it's ready, I want to show you how they look in different colors and textures. You have here the white, the green, that black one, and that brown paper. So the more you press, the more it comes out. And then you got the gold. They have different shades. And then I also wanted to show you how they look in different surfaces. So this is a rock that I just found. A lot of people utilize this kind of pens to use them on not only paper but different textures like rocks. They paint on rocks. So these are different shades and colors, and the tip is very resistant because they're made to utilize in different things. So in this case, I was trying to demonstrate how you can paint on rocks, and it's very easy, and they do a really good job. So either you decide to do it on a hard surface or in a piece of paper, they will do their job. Also, the stunning effect of the glitter is vivid, is acrylic ink, and it's glossy, dries really fast, and you can make details thanks to the extra fine tip that you have over here. And as you can see, all the colors have their own style. Look at that, how pretty this turned out to be. So in all the colors, I really liked how they turned out. And this is just a demonstration on how this looks. So look at that.